The fourth exercise in lesson 8. Transformer ces questions and interrogation and direct. Change this into a indirect interrogative form. That is indirect interrogative form. Papa dama a mon frère. That is, dad is asking to my brother what he will ask in the direct speech. T'es-tu lavé la main? Did you wash your hand? Okay. So direct speech, what daddy is asking is given there. So how we have to change it into indirect, we will change now. Okay. And verb, you must concentrate. Verb, se laver. Reflexive verb they used there. Okay. Se laver is actually conjugated in passé composé. Even in your indirect speech, the same passé composé tense should be used. Direct speech, daddy is asking my brother, did you wash your hands? Okay. So I am coming and reporting to you. Imagine like this. So daddy is asking my brother whether he washed his hand. So first part you write as it is. Whether. If for weather in French is SI. Whether he washed his hands. Dad is asking my brother whether he washed his hands. So subject is tui. Here it is reflexive pronoun is T apostrophe. When the subject is IL, the reflexive pronoun is S apostrophe. Since lave is the reflexive verb, say lave. Okay. Être as the auxiliary verb and subject is tui, être conjugation es. When the subject is il, être conjugation is est. S'il s'est lavé la matin. Whether he washed his hand. Okay. First sentence you write as it is, then whether SI. Okay. Le directeur a demandé. The director is asked. Okay. Passé composé is given there. Quand Napoleon est-il mort? When Napoleon is there. See, être verb they are using in present tense and reporting verb is in passé composé. So first part you can write as it is and second part you have to write it in indirect in interrogative form. Okay. So remember the rule. La director at the mother you write as it is. Put the question word that is QUANT. Put Napoleon, the subject, and present tense of être is changed into am perfect. Only that alone we changed here. Okay. When the Napoleon is died. Okay. Director is asking me when the Napoleon is died. Okay. So it is very when Napoleon was dead. So I am saying to somebody. So the director is asked me when the director was died. Okay, or had died. So it être alone we changed here. See the rules and concentrate. Passé composé is reporting verb is Divya Ravi a demandé à ses amis. Divya Rami asked her friends. What is they ask? Pourquoi pleurez-vous? Why are you crying? So pleurer is the verb there. It is in simple present tense. So in previous model, first you write the question as it is, and second pleurer you have to change it into am perfect. So, why are you crying? So, Divya Ravi asked his friends why they they is crying. They were crying or they was cried. Okay. So, imperfect form. They had cried. So, pourquoi elles pleuraient? Why they were crying. That pleurer is written in the imperfect. Okay. Verb has to change it into imperfect in indirect speech because the reporting verb is in passé composé. So, line by line, word by word, you must see, revise it, then only it is easy for you. Otherwise, this lesson, 4 or 5 lessons is one is direct or indirect to direct, like this it will comes. Mot se passager des dames. Okay. My passage is asking me, à quelle station descendrez-vous? At which stations you must get down or get off? So, descendrez-vous, you have to change it in perfect forms. You have to change it. First thing you can write as it is. My co-passengers is asking me, quelle station je descendrai? Okay. So that you get down. When I am coming and reporting to others, my co-passenger is asking me in which stations I go down. Okay, or I get down. So imagine and think the sentence and present answers. That is very, very important. The last one. Les élèves de la classe terminent en répond. Okay. Nous n'aimons pas la cantine. We don't like the canteen. The reporting verb is in passé composé. The 12th standard students had replied. Okay. What tense is used in direct speech? Present tense. Mu. Okay. First part you can write as it is. And direct speech of verb is in present tense. In indirect speech, it will change it into imperfect. Okay. Like second and third sentence. How we are changing the sentence in imperfect. Present tense is changed into a imperfect. The same way here MA is a present tense MEO that you have to change it into imperfect. Okay. So how we can change now? So they replied that they, the emion, that you have to use ca. Okay. So students replied that they did not like the canteen. So present tense of change it into imperfect. Imperfect stem is new form of the present tense, remove ons, and ill is a plural form. So imperfect ending is AIENT because the subject is they. Okay, it is a plural form. So in this lesson, all the videos you must go through 2 or 3 times. Then only it is easy for you. Thank you.